Yo, yo, Trader J,
Yoda, the beard.
the beard,
What's going on, guys?
coming to you from the Moon Bear Network with some post CPI data. Guys, I gotta say, we kind of nailed it on this one. The only thing we didn't get was the little pullback we thought we were gonna get. Instead, we pumped and pumped.
Yep, pump and pump scenario.
Pump and pump scenario. Anyways, let's go over the data because we put out a video yesterday, or it might have been 2 days ago?
2 days ago.
Yeah, 2 days ago, giving you our expectations and what we thought might happen. We gave you a couple of different options. We'll kind of go back over those. We have our yellow line here. We have our purple. And then we had a red line here, which we just canceled out because obviously it didn't dump at all. And we asked you guys to vote on that on our live stream for that. And the results were pretty cool. I think Yoda chose yellow, and I think that followed probably the most closely. Wouldn't you agree?
Yeah.
Other than the pullback that
Exception
we
of
thought
the
we were
pullback.
going to have. So,
Yeah.
anyways, I think, ultimately we got exactly what we wanted. If you look at the price here, we kind of said we were going to come up to 24.6, and that would be the ending range for the finish of post CPI. That's exactly where we sit right now, guys. A little bit above, a little bit below. We've had some wicks up and down, but not too bad. Anyways, we wanted to zoom in here and kind of give you what we thought what's going to happen over the next couple of days between Thursday and Friday. Let me zoom out here. So here's our August high, 25.2, a little bit higher than 25.2. This was the descending wedge that we drew on the last drawing, and as you can see, we clearly followed it and then broke out. And so this is the top of our descending wedge, this line here, and obviously our CPI print back here. So we came up with 3 more scenarios, and I know people don't like scenarios, they want definites, but there's no such thing as definites in crypto, and you know that. You got to be prepared for every scenario, wouldn't you agree?
Absolutely.
100%. So we're going to give you some other scenarios that we think might happen. Do remember that PPI print is tomorrow. This is going to affect currency in general. Right now it's looking a little bit high. So typically a high CPI print means currency is going to pump.
PPI.
Or PPI, sorry. I keep saying CPI. PPI, if it comes in higher, that means currency is going to pump. So we'll just kind of go over what we think the scenarios are. Yoda's going to give you his most likely scenario. I'm going to give you mine. So we'll start with the yellow line coming off of where we're at right now. I do think that this is probably Yoda's scenario.
Which one?
The yellow.
Yeah, something similar to that.
Anyways, this is basically a pump to go test the 25.2 range, like we had always discussed, hitting the top of the range from back in the August high. Probably a retrace to come back and test 24.6, and then a huge pump, probably into the 28K to 29K range. I know that sounds huge, but this is definitely a possibility now, guys. We put ourselves in a good position to continue to move up. On the other hand, there are a few other scenarios that might play out. We have the blue line. This is my more than likely scenario. The blue line being coming back down to go ahead and test all the way down to this little box you see right here. Could come as low as 23.8. Maybe hold the range above 24.3. Probably pop back up and retest that 25.2 range again. Come back down. Maybe another test of 24.6 and then up to the higher range of 28, 29K. There is another scenario that may play out that we are a little bit concerned with. And, PPI print usually doesn't have a massive... create massive movement in markets, but this one may affect it because it's actually a much higher print. We could come back down and retrace the same move, pop back up and test 24.6, and then dump off to the bottom of the wedge.
They have an almost 1% increase on PPI.
Yeah.
Which gives it kind of a maybe it does hold a little bit more weight because of the fact that it's so bad of a reading.
100%.
So
yeah, not a great reading. As you can see, the DXY has been pumping a little bit. It did have a nice pullback today after hours, but everything's kind of been pumping with the DXY. But remember, the DXY is a lagging indicator. That's why you'll see me and Yoda use USDT.D a lot for our technical analysis. Anyways, the red line actually brings us all the way back down to 21.9. Where we go from there, I'm not sure. But
retest the wedge.
Just to retest the wedge, but just know that that's a really good possibility also. Anyways, again, we just wanted to do the post CPI for you, give you our thoughts about what might happen over the next couple of days. I do think that if we really pump out of that 25.2 range, it is going to go very quick up to that 28K range. I mean, it's going to go really quick. We basically have blue skies ahead, in my opinion. Now, what happens when we get up to this level? I got to be honest with you, there's a little bit of price action cluster there. Mm-hmm. This could be the point where we continue or we get a larger move down. But again, we don't like to do long-term technical analysis because we're traders. We want to get into the moves, get out of the moves, and then move on to the next couple of days of technical analysis.
Right here.
Yeah, and that's your cluster that would put you in that 28K range, right in that area. So 28 to 30K, give or take. Anyways, guys, again, just wanted to drop in, give you our technical analysis for the next couple of days. Do me a favor, go to our live stream. Can you pop up the live stream for them so they can see it, Yoda?
Yep. Absolutely.
Anyways, go to our live stream. We're gonna post a vote so you guys can vote for yellow, blue, or red, so we can kind of see what everybody else is thinking. And again, make sure to like and subscribe on the live stream. Join our Moon Bear Network Telegram. We had a ton of massive winners today, guys. I mean, everybody in our private Telegram was just absolutely crushing it. We did show on our previous video some of those wins. And I think that we'll probably see more of this in the future. Anyways, Yoda, you got anything to add?
No, I think I pretty much covered it. We have a lot going on with this pump, you know, like it's pretty solid. So I'm excited to see how we react, you know, in these next few candles on the 4-hour and the 12-hour. 12 hours looking good. So yeah, it was pretty much covered by Trader J here about our outlook, but we have a lot of new videos coming out, and we're going to be putting out some more unique type of content, so make sure you stay tuned on that. So that's all I have for the end.
Again, make sure to like, subscribe, go to our 24/7 stream, like, subscribe, join our private Telegram. Guys, it's only $10 a month, and these traders are making thousands of dollars a day, man. I just don't know why you wouldn't join. It just seems crazy to me. You know, we've got 5 professional traders in there. They're constantly giving analysis. It's pretty cool, man. We've got a really good group going here. Anyways, again, thanks for joining us. Have a great evening. Look forward to seeing you tomorrow on the trading streets. Peace out, Trader J.
Yoda.
The Beard. Have a good day, man.
Have a good day.